There you have some really nice views of the dam as well as the surrounding areas. There's the elevator right by the restrooms if you need to take that up. If not, and if you want to get your steps in today, we have stairs that will take you up there as well. Just be careful when you guys go outside because if crosswinds happen, any loose articles of clothing, jewelry, electronics can and will get blown off. And if they get blown off over the side, we cannot go get them for you. So just be careful when you guys are up there. And then lastly, if you guys have some time with us today, our original exhibit building is open. That's going to be that concrete looking structure right next to the winged figure statue. And there you have a really nice model of the Colorado River Basin from the 1940s. Also comes with a 10-minute audio presentation. Just show your tickets to go inside. And with that, guys, you're going to exit to your left. Thank you so much for joining us on tour today. Right this way. Yep, you're welcome. Thank you, guys.
Thanks.
You're welcome. I've heard that joke a lot. But what did the dam say to the fish after it hit it? Don't fast.
Oh, I love it. That's how you get that. That's great.
Right.
You make me. So fast.
Have a good day now.
You too.
What happened to your spouse?
I don't know. I lost her.
Hey, dude. Dude.
Oh, no, he's having a conversation.
Yes?
No, we're just talking to each other.
He went in the other elevator. We were like, where did our brother-in-law go?
Oh, okay.
But we got a good joke. I said, what does the fish say when he hits the wall? And the guy knew the joke. Damn, he heard it 1,000 times.
Yeah.
But then he came back up the other with dumb bass.
Oh, yeah. I had that one the other day.
Yeah, that's good. Thank you. You did great. A+.
Yeah. Appreciate it.
Yeah,
Have a
you
good one.
did
Yeah.
good. Thank you so much. Bass.
God.
Sure.
Yeah. Well, we want to be.
That's it, huh? So we were down there, huh?
Essentially, we're that way.
We were down there.
Wow.
There's like a great line. That is essentially where we want to be. Right about there. But for that to happen, of course.
When we come, which I don't know, you started out though, boat, you can't really get maybe if you've been down.
Yeah, right. I mean, it's like,
I wouldn't get back up if I've been down. How do you get the full wall? This is in our way.
oh, like that?
I wish, yeah.
So even where it is right now, we can go up on the that's a lot.
Here, is there water over here?
Like where the second arches, you might have a foot would be like. Because there's lines. They will be. I think this year they will get a total of 80 feet. But for us, we're going about 20, 25 feet. But essentially, all they call us trying to stay close. There was no less, they are the second largest, we're the largest.
Dumb bass.
What's that?
Dumb bass.
Oh, bass. Yeah, really, right?
Oh, that's good.
I know what I'm
So Mulholland, he was an engineer who had built a Hollywood dam, the St. Francis Dam. That was the one that failed. The thing that happened when that started was.
Wonder how many times those guys were out here and they said, "Damn it!"
I'd have to come up with a new joke.
I bet you they said, the F word more than they said damage.
Yeah, I went to two.
Nice.
I wish they still had that flag hanging from it. That would have been cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, just leave it, right? Oh, look at, is that like the memorial down there? Do you see like a plaque on the wall?
Where? Oh yeah, look at that right there.
Do you think that's it? A plaque? Look at the staircases out.
Or is it a vent?
Yeah, it might be. Yeah, there's vents because there's vents everywhere. Look at if you came out at the bottom, you needed to walk out to that platform. There's stairs.
Oh yeah.
Look at that water. Doesn't it make you want to go swimming?
Totally.
And look at that over there with those holes in that wall, that building right up against that wall. What's that?
I think it's like from one of those tunnels.
And the train tracks that go in there.
It's cool as hell,
Pretty
right?
amazing, huh? When we were little, we didn't appreciate it. We're like, why are we here? This is so boring. Take me back to the pool, please.
Do you remember coming out here with Mom and Dad?
Let's go to. Didn't we come here? I know I came here before.
I think we did. Yeah, we did. I
Maybe
remember.
it was with Phil.
The one I really remember is when I came out here with
Your friend in high school or college. Yeah.
Sissy and Nancy and Lawrence.
Yeah, I went to that. What a funny place to choose.
43 years. We just came to Vegas.
Okay. Oh, I got you. Then came to see this. Yeah. Okay. You didn't come to see this. I'm like,
No, we just
I
came
was
through
like,
here
okay,
on our
yeah.
way to.
I'm like, that's a pretty interesting place to choose for a young person. Vegas makes sense. Wow, so impressive. Okay,
Yeah, no doubt.
let's go over to this one.
So he became a superintendent construction engineer.
Like being.
You know what else to get down there? Do you think that's a monument down there? Let's go for that.
Looks like it's a what do you call it? Kind of a. Yeah, maybe. But it also looks like it's something like a surveyor mark.
Okay.
Like
okay,
a-
that makes more sense. Yeah, it's
It
really
looks like a surveyor.
Yeah, that's what Frank.
They have them around, like when you go to properties and you see them doing them. They,
Yeah. That looks like our century
Look
over
at it,
there.
and it looks like it's attached to the
this thing's so big you can't even get it in one frame.
actually
I know.
Oh, no, here we
we're
go.
dealing with the window. So I'd rather think I get one outside.
Yeah. So you guys ready to go?
Go outside and he's going to hold that guy up. Poor guy. I got to get me a water.
So the dam is able to shift the boot. It's not attached to it. So I think it gives it more flexibility. So it's able to move and shift. Now the block, same thing. Between the blocks, aircraft. And there's no reinforced steel inside the structure. I sure appreciate it. Yeah, there's streets in California and all that. That was
Did you ever come out? Did you ever come out here before?
Take care, guys. Have fun. Have a good day.
Relating it to Mulholland Drive and the guy that built that and then something. Rick asked some specific questions.
You can't go that way. It's emergency.
Oh, we go through the Hoover Dam exhibit.
48.
Rick's got to break loose from that guy. He's probably getting annoying. There's Rick.
Getting ready to leave him, man.
Oh my God. Take him to a museum, you never get out. It's like don't we?
You know what's interesting is that they were saying, you know how it looks like the concrete just goes against?
I heard that, yeah.
Okay, well then you know it's not
No.
attached. And the other thing I thought was interesting is that, and it makes sense, is that you see it, you know, where the concrete blends into the canyon itself. He made a very interesting comment, was that it's 45 feet underneath each section.
Looks like good, huh? I mean,
Basically
this gives
butts
her a
up
cool
against the
bottle.
other stuff.
Is it a reusable water bottle? Huh?
I use them.
Yeah,
I've got one like that.
that's excellent.
Yeah. Hello, it's Kevin.
Gotta move him along a little.
I'm good, thanks. Which one? Day and night plumbing? Yes. Yeah, I had a lady that was helping me before. Lane started with an M, and she stopped. Her end date was June 30th. So are you calling to help me some more? Yes, yes, right. Great, I appreciate that. Say that one more time. It's not. I'm in a. I'm at with my sister out at Hoover Dam. I live in Las Vegas, Nevada, so I'm not near my computer. But I can when I get back. But it's going to be a couple hours. I'd imagine you're probably going to be done for the day by then. Yeah, I would love to do that. Yeah, I liked her help, but it seems like we were maybe didn't do as good a job as we could have. When we reset that campaign, I had a problem with my customer's website went down because the servers in northern New Mexico where it's hosted crashed. Somebody cut a fiber optic line, so the campaign I had running, I turned off, and then when I turned back on, it tanked. It just bombed out. It was doing really poorly. Then Mansoor helped me, but it seemed like we were just kind of scratching the surface, that we could have done a lot of, we could have done more to make it run better, honestly. Yeah, okay. So what, let's set up a time. Can you send me an invite? I'll be fine in the morning. So just, I'm Pacific time there, here I should say. Because Las Vegas, Nevada is Pacific, yes. What? Let's just do it like at 9 a.m. Pacific time. Yeah, send me an invite, I'll accept it. Sure. What's another time for you? What time? 12 p.m. Yes, that's fine. Put it down for that. That's fine by me. Yes, sir. Okay, yeah, and what email are you sending it to, sir? Oh, yeah. Oh, no, just send it to that MCC Santa Fe Postad at gmail.com. That's a good one. Yeah, it's going to be a couple hours before I get in front of a computer. I don't have that email set up on this phone, but I'll definitely go in and accept it when it. Perfect. All right, thanks for helping me out. I look forward to our call. Thank you. You too. Bye bye.
They're 6,000 rounds a day. What they got paid.
Yeah, this is like they're showing one of Abraham was an unseen worker.
No, it's not Abraham. It's Alabama. He's the guys that clean the toilets.
Yeah, Alabama. That's the name of their job. And I'm gonna be, if I'm gonna pick a job, I think I'm gonna be a safety miner. It goes along with my CPR skill. Safety miner. It gets paid real well.
Yeah, but that's it. They're in there huffing all that bad stuff. You probably wouldn't want to be that guy.
Okay, no. What's that? A welder? That's a good job. That's pretty interesting.
Wow.
High scale.
Talk about a tough job. And that series of stacks here.
Of unprecedented scale. It's block by block by block, huh?
Yeah.
That's where the cold water made it, right? Diversion tunnels were like a thing, huh?
Yeah, they couldn't have done it without them.
Yeah.
And those things are huge. Just
1947.
Like built
They changed it up.
check that out. They have a time-lapse photography of them putting the.
Yeah, that is really
That is nuts. Look at that.
Who knew they had time lapse then?
cool.
Pretty awesome.
I just want to take a look at the inside view.
Okay.
Look at all the cables going across with the. Oh look, that's the model of it.
That's how wide it is. So when you drive across it, it looks really narrow at the top. It's not narrow underneath. Which makes you feel a whole lot better.
Each concrete block has another 5 feet of height to the dam.
Wow, that's super cool.